Hey everyone! If you're planning to start a website, blog, or even an online business, stop scrolling. Because I've got an insane deal on Hostinger that you don't want to miss. Right now, Hostinger is offering up to 80% off on their hosting plans. But wait, it gets even better. If you use my exclusive coupon code, you'll get an extra 10% discount on top of that. Here's exactly what you need to do. First, click the link in the description below. It will take you to the official Hostinger website. Now choose your hosting plan, whichever suits you best, and at checkout, enter the coupon code VIP for you. Boom! You instantly unlock extra 10% off. But that's not all. You also get a free extra month and a 30-day money-back guarantee, so it's completely risk-free. So basically, you're getting massive 80% discount, extra 10% off with code VIP for you, free extra month, zero risk. Honestly, this is one of the best hosting deals available right now. So don't wait. These offers don't last forever. Click the link in the description, use code VIP for you at checkout, and launch your website today. Let me know in the comments if you grab the deal, and I'll help you get started.